Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to turn on Beats Studio Buds without a case, in 2025. Whether you've misplaced your case, it's out of battery, or you're just curious about the backup methods, this guide will get you up and running in no time. Beats Studio Buds are packed with smart features, and by 2025, they've got even more intuitive controls, like enhanced sensors and seamless app integration. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Beats Studio Buds are charged. If they're not, you'll need to plug them into a power source using a USB-C cable. Don't worry, it's quick. Now, for the main step. Locate the multi-function button on each bud. It's usually on the side, and in 2025 models, it might even have haptic feedback to guide you. Press and hold the button on one bud for about 5 seconds until you see the LED light flash. This indicates it's powering on. If you have both buds, do the same for the second one to sync them. Once they're on, open the Bluetooth settings on your device, whether it's your phone, tablet, or computer. Look for Beats Studio Buds in the available devices list and select it to pair. In 2025, the Beats app has an auto-connect feature that makes this even easier. Just open the app, and it should detect your buds automatically. If you're having trouble, try resetting them by pressing the button 3 times quickly. That'll clear any temporary glitches. A quick tip. In noisy environments, use voice commands if your buds support it. Say, "Hey Siri," or your assistant's wake word to initiate pairing. This method is perfect for on-the-go situations, like at the gym or during a commute. And remember, always keep your buds clean and stored properly to avoid future issues. There you have it. Turning on your Beats Studio Buds without the case is straightforward and hassle-free. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.